Hi everyone, this is Evgen from Appliance Fix Lab in Winnipeg. In this lesson part of our YouTube dryer repair course, we are working with a beautiful red Maytag 3000 series washer and dryer set. The dryer model YMEDE300VF0 has a very common problem for Winnipeg homes: a loud squeaking noise as soon as it starts. Today I am in the River West Park area west of Assiniboia and Hadingley, just south of Roblin Boulevard and close of the Assiniboine River. The homeowner called because every time they start the dryer they hear a sharp, high-pitched squeak that is getting worse. I run the dryer on a normal cycle and immediately hear the noise. When the drum begins to turn, the squeak is strong and constant. For a technician, this usually means that one of the rotating parts inside the dryer is worn or contaminated. It can be a drum roller, an idler pulley, the blower valve, or sometimes the motor. After confirming the problem, I unplugged the dryer and started disassembling it. Always disconnect power before working inside any dryer or other appliance. I remove the top panel, the front and the internal shields to reach the driver system. Then I release the belt tension, slide the belt off and lift the drum out of the cabinet. With the drum out, I inspect every moving part. I spin the drum rollers, check the blower wheel and then turn the idler pulley. The idler is stiff, rough and noisy. It has lint and dust packed around the bearing and clearly does not spin freely. The other components move smoothly and are in good condition. Based on this inspection, the repair plan is simple: a full lint clean inside the cabinet and replacement of the noisy idler tensioner pulley. All other parts can stay in service. After the customer approves the plan, I vacuum lint and dust from the bottom of the cabinet, around the motor and from the air puffs. Cleaning is important not only for noise, but also for safe airflow and dryer efficiency. Next, I remove the old squeaking idler pulley and install a new one. I check that it spins freely and lines up correctly with the belt. Then I put the drum back in, route the belt around the drum and motor and set the proper tension on the new idler. Now I reassemble the dryer, reinstall all panels, plug it in and start a test cycle. The drum turns quality, there is no high-pitched squeak and the Maytag 3000 series YMEDE300VF0 sounds like a healthy dryer again. In this River West Park case, the problem was not the motor or the control board. It was a worn idler tensioner pulley and lint built up inside the cabinet. With a clear diagnostic process, one new part and a good cleaning, we are returned this Maytag dryer to quite reliable operation in a real Winnipeg home. Educational content only. Perform any repair or diagnostic action at your own risk. Appliance Fix Lab. Real case, real diagnostics, real training.